Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that you will be fine. Students, today we have two things to learn. First one is state, second one is properties. What is state? State is so significant in English grammar. How? If you don't know present state, so you can't tell your condition in English. So now I'm going to teach state. State is that thing which shows us the condition of someone or something. How? I am saying that I am student. I am student. This is my condition. I am student. Second, I am saying that Ali is doctor. Ali is doctor. This is the condition of Ali. It is state. So after that we have three kinds of state. Kinds are present state, past state and future state. So first of all we will learn present state. What is present state? Present state shows us, tells us the condition, the present condition of someone or something. How? There are three keys of present state. That are is or am. If there is or am in state, that will be present state. For example, I am saying that I am able student. For example, I am able student. So in this sentence, am, there is am. So am is our, am shows us present state. So this is our present state. Second, I am saying that he is talented boy. Now there is used is also shows us present state. So this is our present state. Second, we have past state. What is past state? Past state is that thing which shows us past condition. How? The keys of past state is was and were. Was and were are the keys of past state. How I am saying that Ali was patient. Ali was patient. So this there is used was. Was shows us the past state. Ali was. Second, I am saying that Akmal was the slaver of America. Akmal was the slaver of America. In this sentence, Akmal was has been used. So was is past state. It means that he was, not he is, he was the slaver of America. So this is his first state. Third, we have future state. The keys of future state is where is something. I am saying that I will be the master of this home. So there is used will be. It means that hoga, मैं हूँगा. So this is our future state. Then I am saying that Ali will be your slaver. There is used will be. Ali will be. It means that he will be your slaver in future, not in present, not in past, in future. It's our future state. So now I am going to teach you. So now I hope that you have learned this. So we have properties. So first of all we will read property. What is property? Property is the thing which shows us the property of someone. For example, we have written an example that he has a car. वो एक गाड़ी रखता है. There is my property. Car is my property. So after that, we have three types of property. First one is present, second one is past, and future properties. What is present property? Present property is that thing which shows us present property. Like I have this is my marker. I have this marker in present time. It's my present property. For example, we have written here that he has a car. He has a car. Now there is used has. Has shows us present property. Have and has shows us present property. For example, I'm saying that I have a building. I have a building. So building is my property, but it is my present property. There is used I have. Have is used with plural subjects and has is used with singular subjects. And second we have property, past property. Past property. What is past property? If you are saying that I had a pen, you've had, that was in past. Now you do not have. That is past property. Second, I am saying that I had a home. मेरे पास एक घर था. That was in past time. That was my past property. So we can show it by had. Had shows us past property. Second or third example is I had a bed. I had a bed. So bed was my property, but we can know that had what was had shows us past property, so that you can find past property through what? Through had. Just through had. After that we have future property. What is future property? Future property is that thing that, for example, that I will have a car. That car, or I'm saying that I will have a car. That car will be in future time. That is not in present. That was not in past. That will be in future time. So the future property is this. That is founded by will, have, and shall have. Will have and shall have. If there is property, you should, first of all, you must find that this is present, past, or future. You can find through these words. If there is used have or has, I have car, I have a chair, I have a pen, etc. So that will be present property. If there is used had in a sentence, so that will be for past property. And if there is used will have and shall have, that will be our future property. I hope that you have learned these things. So now I am going to finish this lecture. You are requested to like, share and subscribe this video and share it.